I'm Jolly, residing in and around this Athirappilly Falls area, and I'm regularly visiting this place. But I can say that there is some facilities now. We need some more facilities here. That is the parking facility, as well as the some facility for the aged persons as well as handicapped persons. And my suggestion is that is you can prepare or you can make a ropeway or some small trains like small monorail trains, so these persons can easily get into that place as well as to see the waterfall very closely and enjoy the scenes and all. And especially it is very beautiful during the monsoon season, so this monsoon season we can utilize this particular facilities. So these are my suggestions, and underlined things are that there is no parking and there is no good facility for the toilet, comfort room and all. And then so many tourists I can see that a lot of tourists are coming from the northern side of India as well as our neighboring states. So we have to be very neat and tidy. We can make it very neat and tidy. These places can attract more tourists from different parts of the India. So these are my suggestions and the request to the particular person. I don't know which person can do all these things, but these are the things which I requested.